Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mighty Networks. Mighty Networks is a powerful platform designed for building vibrant online communities. It allows creators to offer courses, host events, and share diverse content, all within a branded space. You can easily join various interest-based groups, connect with like-minded individuals, and participate in engaging discussions. This guide will help you navigate its features and make the most of your experience. Once inside, you will find the main activity feed, which displays the latest posts and updates from your community. On the left-hand side, you can easily navigate to different spaces or groups, each dedicated to a specific topic or interest. Utilize the powerful search bar at the top to quickly locate specific content, members, or discussions within your network. Engaging with your community is simple and rewarding. You can easily create your own posts, sharing articles, asking questions, or launching polls to gather opinions. Actively comment on other members' contributions and participate in ongoing discussions to share your insights. Many networks also host live events and workshops, providing excellent opportunities for real-time interaction and learning. To truly maximize your Mighty Networks experience, take a few moments to customize your personal profile with a photo and a brief bio. This helps others get to know you better. Don't hesitate to connect directly with other members through private messages, fostering deeper relationships. Also, explore any exclusive courses or specialized groups offered within your network for even richer content.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.